up, you guys? It's your girl ARIE, and I'm back with another video.
She got a rope, shorty, should be that squishing the yoke. I'm feeling the vibe, she liking the style, keep it on the low. I bought the bar, she look like a star, we ready to toast. Shorty's bad, she really bad, she not one of those. She got a rope, shorty's different, leave her alone. She got a rope, shorty ain't tripping, she got a go. Shorty, she bad, she got a bag, she not one of those.
In today's video, y'all, we're gonna be working with Asteria hair, y'all. Now, I ain't new to Asteria hair. I don't work the Asteria hair for years now, but all I'm gonna say, I don't know who y'all got back there bleaching, plucking, and styling y'all wigs, but keep them on their team. When I say the companies are just getting better day by day, remember I said it can't get no better than a pre-plucked, a pre-bleached, and pre-cut wig. But y'all, like, I done got some styled wigs before, but y'all I ain't never get a wig styled like this to where I don't even have to tweak or do nothing to the hairstyle. The baby hairs, perfect placement. Braid, zigzag, the way how flat it is. Y'all, everything about this pre-styled wig is everything. Like, it's A1. Everything about this wig is A1. Y'all. This wig is 24 inches. The only thing I could say, like, I feel like it's giving more so 22, because you guys know I get 24 inches all the time, and this just seems a little bit on the shorter side. But other than that, don't even matter. The hair, fire, y'all. This is the next day. I installed this hair yesterday, and I had to come back and finish up this video. Y'all, the hair is fire. I swear. No tangles, no nothing. It feels soft. It has a nice shine to it, not too shiny, but it's like the hair is not giving dry, it's giving silky. But yeah, I just can't get over this style, y'all. You know how long I've been wanting to do a braided style, but I'm like, dang, if only I can get the wig already sent like that. Now, I've never seen this style before. You know, y'all know the regular style with the braid right here and two braids with them. I've been feeling to do that style, but I don't want to do it myself. But this style right here, like I said, I wasn't expecting this wig to look this good. Asteria, y'all did yourselves with this one. I would I've always highly recommend Asteria hair, especially their curly hair. They got some fire curly hair. But y'all, wig melted, style slayed, y'all. Shout out to Asteria hair. All the details is gonna be down below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Like I said, go ahead and get you a pre-styled wig, y'all. This wig is 100% beginner friendly. Like, you legit don't have to do nothing. It comes styled for you. It comes plucked for you. It comes bleached for you. What more do you have to do but throw some curls in it if you want to? I didn't have to throw curls in it, but I just wanted to. I was rocking a straight style. It still gave. It's fire. But like I said, I highly recommend Asteria hair. So go ahead and get you one. The same exact wig link is going to be down below. Pretty sure they have other already pre-styled wigs. I just know they do. And yeah, so this hair is 1,000 out of 10. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. On road to 70K, man. Let's get it. Let's go. And I see you guys in another video. Bye.